Sitting all alone, mouth full of gum in the driveway. My friends are
how to create a cute little Valentine's Day look, so I hope you enjoy watching. Before I get into the eyes, I'm just going to tell you guys what I'm wearing on my face. I'm wearing the Born This Way foundation by Too Faced in the shade Porcelain, I think. As for my brows, I just started wearing this recently. It's the Goof Proof Brow Pencil by Benefit in the shade 3, I think. It's really nice. You just twist it up like this. Love it. I'm just going to put on some eye primer. I've had this stuff forever. It's the Tarte Clean Slate 360 Creaseless Eye Primer, just so everything stays in place. And I just put this on with my fingertip. Also, hopefully you guys can tell a quality difference. I'm actually using my new camera that I love so much. Okay, so now that I brought you guys in closer, we're going to jump into the eyes. I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. And I'm just going to apply it into the crease. Now this isn't really like a blending brush that I'm using to apply it. It's kind of like, what's it called? It's called an eye contour brush, but I'm really gonna use this red color to, like, you know, contour my crease basically. And this is gonna be like our main color component in this look. Then I'm gonna take this little brush. This is like a more fluffier brush, and we're gonna kind of blend it up and out. Much better. Okay, now that we have this shade on, we are gonna go in with the shade, where is it? Venetian Red. It's pretty, and I'm gonna do the little like eye contour brush again. And this is also gonna go in the crease, but I'm not gonna blend it up as much. And just kind of smudge it, blend it, but not as far up as you did with the other one, because this is just to create like depth. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the shade Tempera, this light fur shade. I'm just gonna take like this kind of flattish eyeshadow brush. Just a little. And just take the fluffy brush again and kind of just merge the two colors together. Merge. Connect like the, just kind of like bring this all together. I'm gonna bring Love Letter down to my, like under my bottom lash line. Just to kind of make it a cohesive look. And then again, I'm just gonna blend it out. I'm gonna add a little shimmer and sparkle to my eyes because I feel like it. You don't have to, but I'm going to. I'm gonna use my new baby, my Fenty palette. Oh, she's so gorgeous. Look at that shine, baby. I love this packaging. I love this palette. Just like, can we just take a minute to appreciate like all of this beauty? Yeah, I'm gonna take this pinkish color. It has like gold flecks in it as well, so we keep this whole look warm because it's freezing on Valentine's Day because it's in the middle of freaking February. So we want to, you know, heat things up. It's Valentine's Day. Nice. See, it just brightens it up a little bit. I'm gonna use that same shade to do my inner corners. Also, I'll just use my finger for this because I just find it gets the most product. And I want it to be bold. All we're gonna do for the eyeshadow, it's just so simple for the eyeshadow. I don't think I'm gonna do lashes today, so we're just gonna do some mascara. I'm gonna use my mini roller lash right here by Benefit. Long lashes. Like, I want to get like legit eyelash extensions, but like I was saying, I'm trying to save money, and eyelash extensions aren't the cheapest thing to maintain in the world. So now that I am done with the eyes, we're gonna finish on my face because it's just my foundation, so it's flat and boring. So I'm gonna use my old trusty Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. So everyone, now you're YouTube famous.
Really? Really?
Guys, do we look like?
Oh god.
Careful,
Scooch.
my camera will fall.
Let's see.
Also, is she older or younger? Can you guess?
You're wearing a face full of makeup.
So yeah, just kind of, if you want to contour your nose, like you see where your nose kind of dips in from your eyebrows, start there and then bring it in to make your nose look slimmer. I love contouring my nose. And because I love my highlight, I'm gonna use that same shade that we use in my lid in the inner corner of my eye to kind of just make this a cohesive like look. And because I just love the pink tone and the gold flecks. Look at that highlight, girl. Just keep putting it on as much as you want. You gonna gleam from outer space. Get it? Because it's a galaxy palette. Yeah, ha ha ha. I'm hilarious. Okay, yeah. So I'm going to take my prized and possession I got her for Christmas. Gloss Bomb by Fenty. I love her. She's just my favorite lip gloss in the world. I love glossy lips, guys. Okay, and I'm just gonna swipe on my gloss. The complete look. Super cute and easy and super Valentine's Day oriented. You can wear it literally any day. I love this look. If I could wear this look every day and woke up early enough to do it every day, then I would do it. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Thanks. Wait, before you go, you should probably follow me on Instagram, which is going to be displayed right here, probably right here. And if you liked this video, then be sure to subscribe for more, because I am definitely going to post more makeup videos now that I have my new camera, and I love to vlog, so you'll see more of me. Bye guys.